If a loved one died in a car accident, who can file a claim on behalf of their family?
If someone dies as a result of a car accident, or as a matter of fact, for any cause whatsoever caused by the negligence of someone else, the person that's able to file this claim is the legal representative. And in New Jersey, a legal representative is appointed by the surrogate court. So if somebody has a will, their executives automatically their legal representative. If they don't have a will, the next of kin, someone, will be appointed as the legal representative. To have that done, the family needs to go to the surrogate court, the county where the person resided, have a legal representative appointed. So there's two types of appointments in that capacity. Number one is as the administrator of the estate, and also something called the administrator ad prosequendum, the administrator to prosecute the wrongful death claim. Once the surrogate appoints that, then the claim can begin to be processed.